Many EE box users experience frustrating internet connection issues. Understanding the common causes and basic troubleshooting steps can help resolve most connectivity problems quickly. The primary causes of EE box connectivity issues include Wi-Fi interference from neighboring networks, router compatibility problems, and outdated firmware conflicts. The first troubleshooting step is power cycling your equipment. Unplug your EE box for 30 seconds, then unplug your router for 60 seconds. This clears temporary glitches and reestablishes fresh connections. Next, optimize your Wi-Fi channels. For the 2.4 GHz band, use channels 1, 6, or 11 to avoid interference. Alternatively, configure your router to automatically select the less congested 5 GHz band. Signal strength is crucial for stable connections. Your EE box should receive a signal strength of -60 dBm or stronger for optimal performance. Weaker signals lead to frequent disconnections and poor streaming quality. Finally, test your bandwidth to ensure adequate internet speed. You need at least 15 megabits per second during peak hours for smooth streaming. Run a speed test to verify your connection meets this requirement. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve many common EE box connectivity issues. Power cycling clears temporary glitches, channel optimization reduces interference, proper signal strength ensures stability, and adequate bandwidth prevents buffering problems. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your EE box connectivity issues, advanced solutions become necessary. These methods address deeper network configuration problems and provide long-term stability. First, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Router manufacturers regularly release updates that improve stability and fix connectivity bugs. Check for updates monthly to maintain optimal performance. Configure quality of service settings on your router to prioritize streaming traffic. QoS ensures your EE box gets the bandwidth it needs, even when other devices are using the network heavily. If Wi-Fi remains unstable, powerline adapters offer an excellent alternative to direct Ethernet connections. These devices use your home's electrical wiring to create a stable network connection without running cables. For persistent connectivity issues, EE offers free home network surveys. Their technicians can identify problems that aren't obvious and recommend specific solutions for your setup. Regular maintenance prevents many connectivity problems. Restart your router monthly and check for firmware updates quarterly. This simple schedule keeps your network running smoothly. Use the MyEE app for real-time connection monitoring. This app shows your network status, data usage, and can help identify connectivity patterns that might indicate problems. As a backup solution, configure a mobile hotspot for emergency use. While not ideal for regular streaming, it ensures you can still access content during network outages. EE has implemented significant improvements in newer TV boxes. Wi-Fi 6 compatibility reduces connection drops by 35%, while smart reconnection protocols restore connections within 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, consider EE's router upgrade program if problems persist. This program has successfully resolved connectivity issues for 78% of participants, often providing newer, more compatible hardware at no additional cost.